Have you ever had a feeling so strong it didn't make sense, but turned out to be right? Imagine facing a life-changing decision. Your logic says one thing, but deep inside, a quiet voice says something else. That whisper is your intuition. For centuries, it's been dismissed as mystical or irrational. But what if it isn't magic at all? What if it's one of the most advanced tools your brain has for predicting the future? Let's uncover the real science behind intuition and how to start listening to it to guide your life forward. Intuition has long been romanticized as a sixth sense, a gift reserved for the few. We hear stories of people who avoided disaster or made brilliant moves because something just felt right. But those stories feed a myth, the idea that intuition is separate from logic, something magical or unreliable. In truth, it's not a superpower, it's a brain function. That quiet feeling isn't born in your gut, it starts in your mind. Your intuition is your brain tapping into a vast, unconscious database of experiences and patterns to guide your decisions faster than logic ever could. It's not about guessing, it's about your brain's deep intelligence, quietly at work beneath awareness. Neuroscientists define intuition as the learned, productive use of unconscious information for better decisions. Learned means it grows with experience. Unconscious information means it draws from the immense data your brain stores, but you don't consciously access. And its goal is clear: to help you navigate the future more effectively. Picture your mind as an iceberg. Your conscious awareness is the tip. Intuition operates below, in the vast, unseen mass. It's your brain scanning that hidden world of memories, emotions, and micro-patterns, then summarizing all of it as a feeling. That hunch you get? That's data. Compressed, emotional, intelligent data telling you which way to go. To understand how intuition really works, we need to look beneath the surface, into the quiet systems of your mind that are always working to guide you forward. Here are 3 key forces behind intuition you may have experienced. 1. Pattern recognition. Your brain is a pattern-detecting machine. Every second, it's scanning the world around you. Tone, posture, rhythm, lighting. It's decoding thousands of tiny details without you even noticing. And when it recognizes something familiar, it sends you a signal before logic ever has the chance to intervene. A firefighter senses a building is about to collapse. A doctor just knows something is wrong before the test results come back. That isn't magic, it's the mind seeing micro-patterns that others miss, compressing years of experience into a single instant of knowing. 2. Associative memory. But intuition doesn't stop there. It also draws from your brain's massive network of stored experiences, a web of connections known as associative memory. Your brain doesn't file memories neatly. It links them through emotions, sounds, and sensations. That's why a certain smell can throw you back to your childhood kitchen in a heartbeat. When you meet someone new and instantly feel safe or uneasy, it's not instinct in the wild sense. It's your brain pulling from this hidden database, comparing cues you're not aware of, then sending you a fast emotional summary to guide your next move. 3. Emotional and bodily processing. And finally, the most misunderstood part, your emotions and body are part of intuition itself. They are not distractions, they're data. That flutter in your chest, that calm in your stomach, those are your brain's quiet messages translated through your body. It's called interoception, your ability to sense your internal state. This is the gut-brain axis at work, a biological communication line linking emotion, memory, and decision. When something feels off, your body is signaling that it's detected subtle information your conscious mind hasn't yet understood. It's intuition made physical, your own nervous system whispering, "Pay attention." Intuition may whisper, but knowing when to listen is an entirely different skill. Because intuition isn't meant to replace logic, it's meant to work with it. And like any tool of the mind, it becomes sharper when we understand how to use it. So here are 4 ways to strengthen your intuition, to know when it's guiding you and when it's being clouded by emotion, fear, or noise. Rule number 1, know when to trust it. Intuition works best when you're calm. When you're anxious or overly excited, your emotions can distort the signal. A pilot doesn't ignore their instruments during turbulence. They verify first, then trust instinct when the sky is steady. In the same way, let logic lead when your emotions are loud, and intuition guide you when the mind becomes clear. Rule number 2. Build your experience database. Intuition is trained through exposure. The more you live, practice, observe, and fail, the more accurate your inner compass becomes. A chess master feels the next move because they've lived thousands. An entrepreneur senses a shift because they've survived the unpredictable. Stay curious. Every new experience becomes information your intuition can call upon tomorrow. Rule number 3. Clean your mental lens. Your intuition is only as clean as the mind behind it. If your past is shaped by fear, bias, or old wounds, your intuition may echo them. Impulse feels urgent. Intuition feels steady. One shouts, the other quietly reveals. Learning to tell the difference is part of the work. Rule number 4. Create space for insight. Some answers don't appear when you think harder. They appear when you finally stop thinking. In the shower, on a walk, in a moment of stillness. This is your unconscious mind surfacing. When the noise drops, intuition rises. It finally has room to speak. Intuition isn't mystical. It's one of the brain's oldest and most powerful navigation tools, a bridge between unconscious intelligence and conscious choice. It helps you see patterns, feel signals, and predict outcomes long before reason catches up. Logic and intuition aren't rivals, they're partners. One analyzes the map, the other feels the terrain. When you understand both, you move through life with grounded clarity, guided not by guesswork, but by the deep wisdom your mind has been collecting all along. Your intuition isn't fortune-telling. It's your own experience, whispering from the future you're already shaping. If you enjoyed exploring the science of intuition, subscribe and hit the bell. And tell us in the comments, when has your intuition guided you?